Hey guys, just wanted to come back. I have a art supply haul for you and an art tip all in one. So this is going to be a short video, but I've been collecting some products for my studio in Tennessee. So I got this Creative Mark Mimik animal friendly high performance watercolor brushes. I really like these. I have some at home in my studio, and so I got these, and the set's not very expensive at all. Got them on Amazon for $30-something. I'll link those below. And then I got some sketchbooks, watercolor sketchbooks, Arteza premium. I don't know if they are 100% cotton. They don't say. They say they're cold press, but I don't know that they're 100% cotton. But I have a couple of these at home and I like them. And then I got these for like 2 for $25. So they came in packs of 2. And then I got this Mission Gold watercolor set. So I was really excited. I do not have Mission Gold. I haven't even opened them yet. And it comes with the palette. I got these for like $57 right now. I don't know if that's the price they'll be when they're linked up below, but they come with a nice palette, and these are small tubes, 7 ml tubes, and I will go through them a little bit better when I make my swatch card and put them in my palette, and I can film that. And it comes with a couple of pamphlets, information, and these are made, oh, here's a color swatch on the back. These don't say where it's made. But it looks like Chinese or Japanese or Korean writing. But I thought this would be a good set. I have a Mission Gold palette at home, and I like them. I like them a lot. It says they're superior light fast, but it also says non-toxic and non-chemical additives, exceptional solvency. Oh, here's another watercolor chart as well. But this comes with 36 colors and 36 wells, so I'm going to enjoy doing that. So, try to get out there. There's some good prices right now. Being after Christmas, when there just seems to be some good prices on some art supplies out there. So we'll talk to you next time, and thanks for joining me, guys. Bye.